join us, and also invite your friends and families to join us for this wonderful Chinese Moon Festival. Also enjoy great performances from Beijing Normal University Art Troupe. Beijing Normal University is a prestigious university in Beijing and aims to train the students into educators. The art troupe of the university has traveled around the world to carry out cultural and arts exchange programs with other universities. September 15th, 3 p.m., they will be performing these wonderful shows, including Chinese traditional songs and dances and instruments, folk songs and dances, Beijing opera, martial arts, and Han Dynasty fashion shows. Please join us and invite your friends and families to come together. The price is $30, $50, and $80. But you get 20% off if you are 13 or under, 65 or above, active military or police, or you have 9 members as a group. You can get discount 20%. So please join us. We would love to have you celebrating Chinese Moon Festival together. Please type the link midautumnfestival.naehusa.com to purchase your tickets. Again, September 15th, Sunday, 3 p.m. The address is 777 Glaze Road, Boca Raton, Florida, 33431. Please bring your friends and families. Join us to celebrate the Chinese Moon Festival in FAU with the art troupe of Beijing Normal University. Be there or be square. Be there or be square.